All right. Welcome to the call, Rotimi. Thank you very much for showing up here today. So it's going to be a very brief interview to get your experience about the program. I would like you to introduce yourself and how you got your first interest in blockchain data analytics.
Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity. My name is Akinrinde Rotimi, and I'm a data scientist and AI and machine learning engineer as well. And I fell in love with blockchain analytics. There was a day when I was scrolling through Twitter, and then I saw I kept tracking the activities of Analytics Sage, and then the way you guys presented it, the way you guys made it simple, even from your post on Twitter, made me fall in love. And I said, okay, I would like to see this. If you could simplify this from your X account, like on based on your social media activity, and I also track the works of alumni of Analytics Sage, and I fell in love with it and I said, okay, fine, I need to look into this, considering I have a deep background knowledge of data analytics.
Yeah, awesome. And that's very good feedback, that you're just going through X and you found us. All right. So I would like to ask, you joined the Cohort 5. How has been the Cohort 5 program for you? And how would you say this program has, more like set you up for success?
Uh, okay, first of all, I would say my experience with the Code 5 has been really wonderful, considering the fact that it wasn't just about coming to learn. It's all about the community as well, because everyone in the class, apart from all the facilitators from Analytics Stage, we all worked as a team. And if you have any issues, you can always speak to anyone. And in within the shortest period, you get a response. You get answers. You get to you get mentored. You get directed on what to do to achieve whatever it is that you could be struggling with. So and
Yeah.
that actually, that actually made me fall in love a bit more. So I see Analytics Sage as a community. It's even deeper than the the entire blockchain tutorial, SQL tutorial, and the likes. It's deeper than that. And again, the bonus that came with it that we weren't expecting is the mentorship session. I would say the mentorship session it blew my mind because it's it really went deeper than I thought. And in fact, a lot of things that we did during the mentorship session, I didn't think we could do with blockchain data, but I'm willing to explore a lot more.
Awesome. I was going to that, but yeah, thank you for saying that. I would like to ask, what is the valuable lesson that you can say that you learned during the course of your training?
Okay, I learned a lot of stuff, but I would highlight I think two or three quickly, and one of it is to constantly build, and again, when you build in public. Let the world see what you can do. Show the world what you can do, and it also helps to overcome imposter syndrome because that way you build your confidence mentally and psychologically, apart from your skill wise. And also, I would say, when it comes to like I said, the community itself, so the community bond, because I could easily speak to any of my colleagues, go into their DMs, connect with them, um, go on the community, drop a question, and you would have loads and loads of people, giving you answers. And that way, you get to we get to achieve a lot more. And I can tell you, I didn't um gain classmates from analytics age. I gained a family.
Awesome, awesome. That's so good to know. That's so good to know. I would like to know, what are the reward projects that you worked on, during the course of the training and after the training and during your mentorship program. Did you work? What did the course train you to work on real life projects, and what are some of the projects you did that stood out for you?
Okay. So during the course of the preliminary training, like the first training we did, I had the opportunity to explore different blockchain data, different projects. Like for instance, I explored Monad, and it helped me make some decisions because when I saw the number of wallets interacting, so I had to choose my also. So, and that was due to my ability to query blockchain data. And also, I would say the other projects that I've done, an example is the Viction project that I recently completed. The Viction project uh, opened my eye to a lot of things because during the mentorship, we were asked to dive deep into the analysis of the Viction blockchain, and I was struggling to get the prize. But with the help of every and the knowledge that I gained from analytics stages and mentorship session, I was able to pull API data and work with it on Dune because I didn't think I could use it on Dune until I until the mentorship session with analytics stage. And with that, in fact, my group because during the mentorship we were put into groups. We meet and then the way we even vibe during the like the cell meetings
Yeah.
is like the breakout meetings. It gives a lot of vibe. We joke a lot. We vibe. Sometimes we even send voice notes to each other on in our DMs and on the group, and then it builds that bond beyond the projects that we are building. And I would say the Vision project, the Grass project, really stands out for me.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I can really see the excitement. Yeah. So what would be your next step in your career path as a blockchain data analyst?
Okay, I would say, though I haven't picked a niche yet, because I happen to also explore due to my experience with Analytics Sage's SQL class. I had to go further and go deeper into the learning process, and then I did I participated in their Python master class, and through that I got exposed to a lot more that I could do with blockchain data. So it now takes me away from being just an on-chain analyst to a full stack developer in the blockchain world. And I would
Yeah.
say I'm really geared up and fired up to see what the future holds for me. So
Awesome,
for
awesome.
now, I think I don't want to pick a particular niche now because I'm exploring. I want to understand. I want to see, like feel the vibe the way it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. Yeah, and lastly now, is Analytics Sage, its programs, is this something you can recommend? And would you be recommending it to others? What would you say to anybody who wants to register for the course or looking to upskill in blockchain data analytics?
I would say even before you ask this question, I before the end of my SQL class, I was already recommended Analytics Sage to my friends, to my colleagues, and I told them, oh, blockchain data is something you might want to explore, and I've referred quite a number of people, and I would still do more. And if you ask me, Analytics Sage, I would always recommend.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate, and we are so glad that You got so much value from our course, and we look forward to seeing you achieve great things in your career path. Thank you very much, and God bless. Bye.
Thank you so much. Yeah, bye.